This video shows how to replace the wireless card on an Inspiron 14 Plus 7420. Before you begin, create a recovery drive and back up all data before removing the wireless card. To enter service mode, press and hold the B key on the keyboard, and then press the power button. Now, the computer will boot up and the owner tag information is displayed on the screen. Press any key to proceed. The computer will emit 3 short beeps and shut down. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the computer. To begin, loosen the 2 captive screws that secure the base cover to the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Then, remove the 5 screws that also secure the base cover to the assembly. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover from the top left at the hinge, and then continue to work on the sides to open the base cover. Then, slide and lift the base cover off the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Remove the screw that secures the wireless card bracket to the system board and palm rest and keyboard assembly. Lift the wireless card bracket off the wireless card. Now, disconnect the antenna cables from the wireless card. Slide the wireless card out of the wireless card slot and away from the system board. You've successfully removed the wireless card from the wireless card slot. Now, let's install the wireless card. Connect the white antenna cable to the wireless card main connector. The white antenna cable must be connected to the connector that is marked with a white triangle. Then, connect the black antenna cable to the wireless card main connector. The black antenna cable must be connected to the connector that is marked with a black triangle. Align the notch on the card with a tab on the wireless card slot. Then slide the wireless card into the slot on the system board. Replace the wireless card bracket, ensuring that the screw hole on the wireless card bracket aligns with the screw hole on the system board. Now replace the screw that secures the wireless card bracket to the system board and the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Next, place and snap the base cover into place on the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Tighten the 2 captive screws on the base cover and replace the 5 screws that secure the base cover to the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Finally, connect the power adapter and press the power button to power on the computer and exit from service mode. Note, the computer will only turn on if the power adapter is connected. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/support.